Studying feels painful while scrolling feels effortless. What if you could reverse that and make your brain crave studying the same way it craves your phone? Welcome to Body-Brain Decode, where we decode the hidden secrets of your mind and body. Your brain isn't lazy. It's just addicted to the wrong things. Every time you get a notification, your brain releases dopamine. Studying releases nothing, so your brain avoids it. The secret to becoming addicted to studying is hacking your dopamine system to reward study behavior instead of avoiding it. First, understand that addiction is just a strong habit loop. Cue triggers behavior. Behavior releases dopamine. Dopamine makes you crave repeating the behavior. We're building this loop for studying. Start by removing competing dopamine sources before you study. Turn off your phone completely. Your brain can't choose studying if social media is available and easier. Create a specific study cue that your brain can recognize. Same time, same place, same ritual every day. Your brain learns to associate the cue with what comes next. Use the 2-minute rule to eliminate resistance. Tell yourself you'll only study for 2 minutes. Your brain can't resist something that small, and momentum takes over once you start. Here's the dopamine hack. Give yourself an immediate reward after every study session. A specific snack, a short walk, or 5 minutes of something enjoyable you only allow after studying. Your brain starts linking studying with the reward. Over time, even starting to study triggers dopamine in anticipation of the reward. This is how the addiction forms. Make progress visible. Use a habit tracker where you physically mark off each study session. Seeing the chain of completed days releases dopamine and creates fear of breaking the streak. Study in short, focused intervals with breaks. 25 minutes of intense focus, then a 5-minute break. This prevents burnout and keeps dopamine levels high through completion rewards. Add difficulty gradually. If studying feels too easy, your brain gets bored. If it's too hard, your brain gets stressed. The sweet spot is just beyond your current ability. Remove friction from starting. Have your study materials ready the night before. The easier it is to start, the more likely your brain will choose it over resistance. Use social pressure as fuel. Study with someone or share your progress publicly. Your brain releases dopamine from social accountability and recognition. Most importantly, never break the chain in the first 30 days. This is the critical window where your brain is building the automatic association between cue and behavior. After 30 days of consistency, studying starts feeling automatic. After 60 days, not studying feels wrong. After 90 days, you've successfully rewired your brain to crave it. The difference between someone addicted to studying and someone who isn't is just neural pathways. Build the right pathways, and addiction to studying becomes inevitable. If you want to hack your brain to crave learning, hit subscribe for more neuroscience that actually changes your behavior.